Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the black screen on OBS that looks like this. Now, it is very annoying, and there's many fixes out there. I have one fix that most likely will work for everyone out there that has a NVIDIA graphics card. Sometimes this goes on automatically. I'm not sure how that happens, but it happens. What you want to do is you want to go to your desktop. You want to right click and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now after that, you want to go to program settings. Sorry about the fans in the background. My computer's heating up right now. You want to click on the choose program, and you want to find OBS Studio. And if it's not in here, click on Add, Browse, and browse through your files. It takes you straight to System32, so don't delete anything in here if you think this is all something you don't want. Just click on the C, and it should be in Program Files. After that, you just want to click Open, and it should bring you here. Now, for the second step, you want to make sure you're on Integrated Graphics. Now, high performance NVIDIA processor and global settings aren't as demanding, and it's not telling OBS to record all the pixels and frames on the PC screen. Integrated graphics is demanding, and it forces it to kind of record. And afterwards, you just want to click Apply. Sometimes it takes a bit. And you want to just exit out of here. Now you want to open up your OBS Studio again. Now, if it's still black, what you want to do is you want to exit out and reopen it. And if it's still black, just exit out, redo the process, open it. And if it is still black, just uninstall, do the process again. Well, reinstall, do the process again. And if it's still black, you can just uninstall, reinstall, and do other fixes. Now, if this video helped you guys in any kind of way, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. I have a main channel. It would be featured in the featured channels. I think I said that already. I also have a Twitter at Hulu YouTube, and I also have an Instagram at Hulu YouTube. I will see you guys all in the next videos. For the first video on this channel, hope this channel is going to be good for people out there. Alright? I'll see you guys later.